Oh, hello, stranger. It's been a while, hasn't it? Been a month since you seen me. Here's a Bama War. You can see him in the daylight. Hey, welcome to Blue Bike North Channel for Dickin around in the shed. We maintenance on the shed. Shed repair. Actually, it's a ramp repair, but run that intro and we'll dive into it. Oh, actually, we won't dive into that. We'll just kind of walk down the ramp into it. So, like I said, you're gonna need a skill saw. You're gonna need some kind of circular saw, hacksaw, hand. If you want to do it by hand, you can do a hand saw. We need something else. We need a pencil. You're gonna need a square and a pencil and a measuring device. You know, and you'll need a crowbar. Hammer and a drill or some kind of device to screw the screws in. We're using screws this time. So yeah, let's do that. Alright, see, here's the problem. I think I think that one's still pretty good. That one's still good, but this one's not. And this one not. I thought I was going to do 3. But I got 4. That one's still good. That one's cracking. I might do them 3 right there. Yeah, we'll do that. Crowbar and a drill. Because these are nailed in. Which ones I say we was going to do? This one for sure. Let's see if we can't. Oh, yeah, this one's going to be a mess to get out. That might come up pretty easy. Oh, yeah. Come out pretty nice. You get the gist of it. We gotta pull out a couple of nails, pull through. But you get the gist of it, don't you? But y'all said, why don't you use screws? Well, I use nails, but they got the little grooves on them, supposed not to pull out. So, I mean, this ramp was about 10 years old, so it held up pretty good. Just the knottedness of it, where it broke. Anyway, my 2x6 still looks good, so we're gonna lay it back down now. They say measure twice, so I already cut once, or already measured once, but and I know they're 6 inches, 6 feet long. So we'll get our first victim out and look at the quality of the wood. Which side looks better, and I'm gonna measure both sides. You can't get good wood. This ain't yellow wood.
We'll measure out 6 feet, 9 inches. I'm gonna mark it. And I'm gonna do that 3 more times.
We got those marked. You probably didn't see nothing of it. Oh well. Alright. Now we're going to cut a mark was a hard one. Okay, we're going to use our hammer. And these are 1 5/8" things, screws. Phillips head, American Phillips. And we're going to need a pencil. I'll show you what we use a pencil for. And line this board up. And take the pencil, put it right in there. And that's going to give you your gap you need for water shedding. It's lined up. Gonna go a couple inches off the sides, on both sides. And we're gonna split the wood, just like I just did. Dang it. I'm gonna move that into this other side. Pencil in there. This time I'm gonna go a little bit farther in. So we're gonna split the board, I guess. They say use pre-drill, or say even use soap. Never use soap. We'll do the same thing down here. And we're gonna get it done. Just like so. That's a little tight. So I only use 1 nail screw down there. Shit. Dropped it. Ow, knee. Oh man, I just knocked my screws off. Dang it. Well, how did that one come up short? I have no idea. Ow, shoot. Alright. For some reason, there it goes. Well, these are a little, well, these are shrunk up some too. Either way, it'll work. It will work. Alright. Well, you have a finished product. It looks good. We can walk on it. It don't crack and pop like it used to. Yeah. Well, it's not bad. $50 worth of wood. Particularly, it wasn't $50 of wood. The screws was $10 a piece, give or take. The and then I don't know how much that. Did get a piece of that conduit to finish up my gift for my mother for Christmas wind chimes. Remember them? July the 10th through the 12th. That's Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Sunday we go home. Got an oil change coming up. And, hold on. We got some stuff from Sling Mod for the Herc Spider. This box right here has messed up. So that's what makes it go from yellow to white. We're going to do that in another episode, Dickin around in the shed. For this one, we done. And yeah, so go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here. And we'll see you down the road somewhere. Hopefully see you at VAM. And we can talk this one up early. Yeah. Later.